Jamaican law, price gouging refers to when retailers or distributors or traders take advantage of a national emergency and increase prices excessively on items that are needed to recover from that disaster or emergency. So we want to say to consumers and business owners that the definition, as is described in the declaration by the Honorable Prime Minister Andrew Holness on October 24, the definition is for the material and supplies that consumers would need to recover from the hurricane. However, I must state that the Consumer Affairs Commission will not turn away or ignore any excessive pricing of any other item outside of those listed items in the declaration under the Trade Act. Some of the items under this declaration include things such as very detailed personal care items such as soap, cleaning products, antibacterial products, toiletries, alcohol, hand sanitizers, feminine hygiene products, diapers, bleach, and gloves. It includes surgical masks as well, and prescription medication, and building materials, so tarpaulin, lumber, nails, zinc, etc. So electrical supplies, because a lot of homes have been flooded out, and so they will require rewiring of homes and so on. So it includes electrical supplies, plumbing supplies, etc. We want to remind retailers and consumers that there are also other items that are included under the declaration that are considered emergency, but those items already are covered under their own legislation. So some of those are, for instance, it does not include any goods that are maybe regulated by the Sugar Industry Control Act, the Agricultural Product Act, the Agricultural Marketing Act, the Coconut Industry Control Act, the Banana Board Act, and the Jamaica Agricultural Commodities Regulation Authority Act. So the agricultural industry, which we know was devastated under Hurricane Melissa, so the food items under those are also listed, agricultural products, but they're under their own legislation. However, it is also considered emergency food for those of us who understand that the entire South Coast and agricultural areas were devastated, so it would be included. If consumers bring the evidence and the investigation is done after they've reviewed and assessed the evidence, and it is taken to a parish court and it is proven that you are guilty of price gouging, the penalty is up to $1 million. When we talk about evidence, the consumer needs to ensure that they have a receipt, and a receipt in this circumstance, while we're going through this recovery, a receipt can be a photograph. So you can use your mobile phone and take a picture of the price that you pay for it. In general, the Consumer Affairs Commission is the point agency for the reports. However, we want consumers to understand that whomever you can have supporting you in contact in places where connectivity is down and you need to have a case reviewed, any government agency under the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, you can relate to them. If they come into your community where you are without connectivity or without electricity, speak with them and give them as much information as you can, and they will pass it on to the Consumer Affairs Commission, because we know that there are people in spaces where there's no way to get to us. While we have our website at cac.gov.jm, we have our telephone connection, 876-619-4222, and that goes all the way up to 30. And we have our social media platforms, X, Facebook, Instagram, and so on. We know that persons may not be able to do that.